This is the last scanned PDF file. If I press Ctrl+F and search for a word, it shows no results. Even though the word is clearly visible, search does not work. If I try to select any text with the mouse, I cannot select anything. And since I cannot select the text, I also cannot copy it. This happens because scanned PDFs are just images of pages. Many online tools say they can make PDFs searchable, but they require uploading your document to their servers. If your PDF contains personal, legal or confidential information, uploading it online is not always safe. So instead, we'll use an offline tool called Systweak PDF Editor. This allows us to perform OCR directly on your computer. Let us begin. First, click Open PDF and select your scanned PDF file. As you can see, search and copy are not working. Now go to the top menu bar and click on OCR. Then click on Perform OCR. Now select OCR from PDF. Next, choose the language of your PDF. Select the output folder where you want to save the new file. Keep the advanced mode selected for balanced and accurate results. Now click on Perform OCR. The tool will now scan the document, recognize the text inside the images and create a new searchable PDF. It will automatically save the new PDF in the selected folder and open it as well. Now let us test it. If I press Ctrl+F and search for the same word, you can see it is highlighted instantly. I can now select the text, I can copy it, everything works properly. If you want to edit the PDF, you can go to Edit from the top menu bar and click on Edit Content. Now you can edit the text directly inside the PDF. So now this scanned PDF is fully searchable, selectable, copyable and even editable. And all of this happens completely offline without uploading the file anywhere. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.